I want to warn you about some people on Facebook who are doing prospecting. They are searching for customers and they are very hypocrites. So what happens is that you get a friend request and the person sends a message with just a hi and a friend request. And then what they will do if you reply, they will say, "How are you? I want to connect with you because we are doing the same thing," etc. In fact, what they are doing is that they are selling traffic. They have multiple products, but mainly they are selling traffic. So if you have any business on the internet, you know that you want more traffic, more leads. So that's what these kinds of people provide, but it can be crap, very low traffic, bots, everything. But the approach is always the same. So it can be an American, or it can be an Indian. So often it's Indians pretending to be American. So it can be one or not. But often they're Indians, very hypocrites, and you cannot get the truth out of them because they follow a script. So even if you confront them, you will never win. They will not get angry. At max, they will block you. That's it. Because you are just a potential customer to them. They don't care about you. They don't care about anything. It's just their daily job to do that. So they follow a script. You can see here, me, I reply not as a normal person. I just say yes. Often people will say yes, who are you, what, things like this. But then he has a script, hey James. So they use tools to take your first name and put them into the pre-written messages. Hey James, thanks for the connection. I look forward to following you. Why they say connection? Because they expect you to accept the friend request and then you see the message. Because if it doesn't come from a friend, it will be hidden in the spam in your messenger. So as soon as you accept the friend request that you see in your notifications, then his message will pop up because it's from a friend in Facebook. So that's why they assume that you have accepted the friend request, then you have read the message and you have replied. This is all automated with their software. So how are you doing today? They have nothing to say at first. And for a long time, they will not say anything. They will not say I provide things. Me, I reply, get to the point. Often it will not be this answer. It will be, oh, I'm fine, and what about you, blah, blah, blah. So get to the point. This is, if people ask why you contact me, then they have a script. It's like a workflow, like a program, and they can select the answers. So, well, I saw your name in my suggestion, so I thought you might be doing something similar to me. And I am always curious to connect with like-minded people. That's why I thought to ping. Hope that's okay. So once again, they pretend that they saw the Facebook suggested you as a friend, potential friend for them. That's why they get in touch. But it's not true. Their software is doing this, is searching for Facebook users with in a thematic. You choose thematic like a online business, and each day they have a list of potential people to contact, and then they can launch their script. So I say, so you can be honest, because he will not get to the point. All right, James. So this looks like it's done with me, because I am classified in not ready. But if I let it like this, maybe after 1 week, the software will alert them that maybe I need reminder. So another stupid message like, how are you today? Just to see if the person is in a better mood in 1 week. So they will be less suspecting. And if I reply something bad also, so they can end the connection, and so they remove me from their friend. They can block me if really I do something, but otherwise just stay like this, and they go on with other people. At the moment, he's doing it with other people, and that's why I say it may be American or not. Here it says online marketer, dad, hard worker. He has some picture, but it doesn't mean anything. The pictures, they can take. And on his profile, you can see often inspiration quotes, things like this. He will not be actively selling on his profile because it's too obvious. So here you can say, oh, client feedback, ping if anyone wants fresh and quality traffic. That's it. another quote, another quote, another quote. So it's a very candid. Happy client, DM me if anyone needs fresh clicks. So a quote, another quote, another quote, another quote, another quote, another quote, another quote, and here is not. He has been tagged by another person, so it shows here a quote, a quote, a quote, maybe a quote. This he has been tagged also again. A quote, a quote. So you see, this is a very innocent looking profile, but he's actively selling traffic, and he might not be American, might not be his picture. I think he's not this one. Maybe he is, but I don't think he is, because it sounds like all the others who are mainly from Indian. So that's it for this video. Be careful about the friend request and the kind of talk like this. Very it sounds gay. It sounds I don't know why he's doing, but he has a goal in mind, and it will reveal. Maybe if I don't reply like this, he will ask me about my business, looking like he cares. And then if I ask him what does he do, he will say, "Oh, I provide quality leads to people who want it." And then I will reply, "Oh, can you get some for me? How does it work?" And then that's how it happens. But it's all based on hypocrites. They cannot be honest, because that's not the point to be honest. It's just to search for people. Maybe you want to do this, so in this case, find what tool to use. A Facebook bot made for this, for prospecting, and you have to adapt. Your personality is not your own personality. It's a profile made for this. So if people insult you, don't care. Always because it doesn't matter. You are not here to make friends. It's just to find customers, to sell traffic. Also, selling traffic is very easy. You can do arbitrage. So buy cheap traffic and send it to your customer for more money. That's what they do. But always call it high quality traffic, even if it's not, doesn't matter. Just to make money. That's it. Bye bye.